Hello people, this is KZ and welcome to my channel. As an introduction, this is where I'll be posting contents related to my musical arrangement covers, some small DIY tips and tutorials, and possible gadget reviews in the future. With that being said, let's just jump right in by showing you how I braided my TRS extension cable. Now before we begin, I just want to clarify that I'm using copper wires to make these braids because I'm using them for my audio gears and gadgets. But you can really use any two strands to practice this as long as they are long enough. Alright, let's begin. Step 1. Make 2 outer strands and 2 inner strands. Ensure that your right center strand cross over the other like this. Step 2. Take your left outer strand and cross over your now left inner strand and cross the right outer strand under your now right inner strand like so. Now just like step 1, cross your now right inner strand over your left inner strand and repeat the process. To make it easy to remember, you can remember the steps as over and under over. Now I should mention that you can make a really tight braid by pulling it outwards when you cross the strands. But for items like audio cables where you want them to be just a little bit more flexible, you should keep the braid just a little looser. Now for the purpose of this video, I am going to demonstrate later a slightly more complex 5-strand braid with a twisted strand in the center. The process is similar to a 4-strand braid, except that you need to pass your right inner strand over the center strand and your left inner strand under the center strand. So why do I braid my cables? Besides looking cooler, braiding can actually strengthen the cable and ensure its durability when being stretched or handled roughly. This is why you see braidings being used in many industries such as electrical and outdoor sports equipment to combine otherwise big strands into single strands that do not twist and break under heavy load. I'll finish braiding the cables and I'll move on to soldering and assembling the components together after this. So, what can you use this 3.5mm extension cable for? Besides extending headphone cables, you can also use them to extend any kind of cable with a 3.5mm male TRS connector, such as the one that came along with this smartphone shotgun microphone that I'm using right now. I might also review this microphone in the near future video, so do subscribe to my channel to be the first one to watch it. Do you have any braiding stories or tips to share? Let us know by leaving a comment or tag me on my social media down below. Please feel free to leave a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family if you enjoyed this little tutorial so far. I hope to see you in the next video, and until then, stay safe, stay healthy.